Here we go! Captain Turbot's calling. Almost there, pup. Find a few pup treats to win a prize. It's a super treat. Tap it to eat it. When your pup eats a super treat, it can go really fast. I see a broken lamppost. You can. Nice work, pup. Oops, a fire hydrant has lost its red cap. Can you find it? Nice work, pup! I see a broken lamppost. You can do it, pup! You did it, pup! Got it, pup! Beautiful! It's a super treat! Tap it to eat it! It's Farmer Yumi! Way to go, pup! Almost there! You did it, pup! PAW Patrol! Thanks for hurrying, pups! The horn from the train scared Farmer Al's cows. They've run out into town and are wandering around. We need to help Farmer Al and get them back on the train before it leaves. Skye, I'll need you to spot the cows from the air. All right! PAW Patrol is on a roll. Skye in camouflage. When you see a cow, tap on Watch closely for cows that are hiding. All right, Skye, let's find those cows for Farmer Al. You got it! Cow spot. You found one. There's a cow. You can do it, pup! Watch out, Chicoletta! That's the last of them! Great work, Skye! Farmer Owl will be so relieved! You're really good pups! Time for treats! Water the flowers with Marshall and watch them grow. Metal belongs in the recycling bin. Food waste needs to go in the compost bin. Look! Alex needs help! Alex can't find his super trike. Can you help find it? That's it! It's the super trike! You found it! Let's bring it back to Alex. Thank you, Pup! Alex will be able to zoom around town again. Keep going, Pup! Just a few more treats to get your prize. It's a super treat! Tap it to eat it. Way to go, Pup! Just a little more. Good job, Pup! Bring the red cat to the fire hydrant to fix it. It's a super treat! Tap it to eat it. Step onto the circle to catch the ball. Catch all the balls to win. Good luck! Neat! Wow! Right on, Pup! Mayor Goodway is calling. Mayor Goodway has a request. Oh no! Chicoletta ran away again. Help Mayor Goodway find her. Look, it's Chicoletta. Awesome! Let's bring her back to Mayor Goodway. Thanks, Pup! Mayor Goodway feels better with Chickaletta around. Tap as fast as you can. Dunk the other pup in the water to win. 3, 2, 1, go! Finish! Three, 2, 1, go! It's a super treat! Tap it to eat it! Yikes! The water from that fire hydrant is flooding the street! Bring the red cat to the fire hydrant to fix it! You did it, Pup! It's a super treat! Tap it to eat it! Skye! The giant slide is out of order. To reopen it, you need